Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and I'm going to show you how I cooked this chicken from start to finish in under 40 minutes. And this thing is so tender that you can see the legs have already fallen off of it, just trying to get it out of the pot. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is a whole chicken and a cup of water with your pressure cooker. I get a 2-pack at Walmart, and they're so much cheaper. This one was $9.77. I mean, for 2 chickens, you really can't beat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these out and freeze the other one because I'm going to have soup later. And we'll be back. Okay, I've opened it in the sink, and inside is the neck and the heart, kidney, liver. So I'm taking that out, and I'm going to rinse this very well and drain it, and it's just going to go right into the pressure cooker. And I have this sitting on a bag now. It's not sitting in my sink like this. And once it has its little bath, just going to put it right in the pressure cooker. And I'm not even closing up the legs or anything. You can see I just plopped it in there. And I'm putting 1 cup of plain water. And you can add all kind of goodies to this. My husband doesn't care for adding the onions and the carrots and the potatoes underneath the bird. You can do that if you want. Mine's just plain cooked chicken. So now that I have the water in, and I did leave the tray underneath there. There. And that'll drain off any fat that's in there. So I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to put it over a high heat until the pressure cooker lever starts to rock, and then I'm going to let it cook for 20 minutes. And we'll be back when I get that going. Okay, I've got the heat on high, and there's the valve. And once this starts rocking, I'm going to lower the heat so that it's at a simmer, and then I'll set the timer for 20 minutes. And the neck and heart and liver is all going to be put in a freezer Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put this in the freezer, and I'll bring it back out if I need to make a stock or gravy, or it's especially good for soup. But yeah, nothing's going to waste. This is going to be frozen. Okay, the pressure has built up, so I'm going to turn this down to low to medium. But there's definitely enough steam built up in there where it's going to cook, and cook it in a hurry. And I've got the timer, 20 minutes. And we'll be back after it's done. Okay, now that it has, this timer's gone off, I'm going to turn the flame off, and I'm going to put this pot in the sink. And I'm going to run cold water on the top. And you've seen me do this before. And that lever just went down, and that means that it has lost the pressure. And this can come off. Although it's hot, so I'm going to use the pot holder. And now I can open it. And that chicken is done. "20 minutes of cooking." The whole thing took maybe 40 minutes from start to finish. And this thing is so tender. As you can see, I'm trying to lift it and it's falling apart. And that's how simple it is to cook a whole chicken in a pressure cooker. 40 minutes, start to finish. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.